Welcome back to Skyway Classic Cars YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey guys.
Here to show you our 85 Hatchback Mustang 5.0. This is a 5.0 with a set of T-tops.
Yep.
Has a roll cage in it. It's a manual transmission. And my favorite part, it is a twin turbo.
They call these Fox bodies, right?
Yep, it's a Fox body, yep.
Cool.
Has a twin turbo 5.0 in it with major modifications.
Lots.
They will be in the description below because the list is way too long for me to list.
Cool.
Fun and fast.
Yes,
very fast.
Definitely fun and fast. You got a kicker in the back. It's got an updated stereo. As you can see, lots of updated gauges. Couple different ways to turn it on. You got some buttons to turn it on. You got a kill switch. It was used for drag racing, so lots and lots of modifications, but very clean, very cool. You got the T-tops. It's gonna be a fun little ride. All right, let's go. Got the push start action there.
This car has got a twin turbo 5.0. It's built to go fast. And we are going to get it out on the open road so you can hear the turbos. You're going to want to read the description on this car closely because it's can be very detailed with everything he's done for mods on this car. Turbo's right there.
There it goes.
We're going to go for a little bit longer ride than usual because you can't sell a twin turbo Mustang without
hearing the twin turbo.
You gotta have the turbos. Oh yeah. Woo! This thing is ridiculous.
Gotta
fun
love
car.
it.
If you're looking for a fun, reliable Fox body, this one was built right. The gentleman that built this car knew what he was doing and did all the right things.
Awesome.
I'm gonna spin it around.
Thank you, Shane. We're gonna take it back and take a look underneath.